that last bass, huh? Decent walleye. I might even keep him. I think he's an eater. I can remember where I put my thing. My measuring stick. I'm sure he's an eater though. About 16. Right on the nose, 16. Sorry, bud. Supper. I haven't had walleye in a while. Acting like he's gonna jump. Must be a big bass. Oh, son. That's what we come here for. Oh, damn. That was a big one, too. Ooh, it's a pretty good fish here. Acting like a big walleye. Oh no, big bass, baby. I think. Or was it a pike? I didn't get a good enough look. If it's a bass, it's big. Real big. Oh, it's a dandy. Oh, son. Let me get one big one in today, okay? Finally. I lost that real big one earlier. This one's beauty. Wow. This is a nice fish. I almost didn't come over here. I was going to go home, but I thought I'll give this one more shot. Maybe I can get a big fish over here. Look at that beauty, huh? What do you think? 19-incher? 3.7. Almost 4. Put him on the old bump board here. Well, that made the trip worthwhile. I thought I was going to go home mad again. Just a hair under 19. Big beauty. Back she goes. Oh, son. Another beauty. I never would have believed it after the lousy day it's been that I'd get 2 bass on in a row like that. Must be a school. This one ain't as big as the first one, I don't think. I am tickled to death to get him. The old Snoopy rod. Snoopy 2. This is my new Snoopy rod. Another beauty. Oh, hook fell right out. Just in time. 17-incher there. Back he goes. Get off. Cast or 2 back. So I put a jig on with a leader. And I bet any money it's a pike. if I can see him. Yep, maybe I'll get my jig back. Oh, well, I guess I got that jig back, but not the one he bit off. I'm jigging it right under the boat. Because he followed, that's where he bit me off, was right under the boat. So I bet any money that was the same one. I was just going to say, it's my last cast here. I'm glad I waited one more. Another nice bass. This one I got on my meat rod though, so I got a better hook set. Puerco. Got him on a grubster. Oh, and it fell right out. I guess I didn't have such a good hook set. That beauty, huh? On that grubster there. Back he goes. Yeah, that was going to be my last cast. I got to hang around for a while.